actually when we're getting our pitch, but we're gonna go do our dress rehearsal right now. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. Got up around 5:45. Didn't really sleep all night, you know, just rested. You know how that is, rehearsing all the questions in your head subconsciously. But we're ready to go. We're ready to hit this hard. You know, we're excited. You know, we're gonna hit a grand slam on this one. There's no question about we're gonna hit a grand slam. So we'll see what the general public thinks. You know, it's probably a couple hundred to 800 people listening. Not sure exactly on the number, but it's good enough, right? It's enough. Everything that's happening right now is enough for me to keep going. So we'll give you guys an update later. You know, I got a nice little tie. I'm actually freezing my butt off right now. I didn't realize how cold it is in Bend. And you know, I get in the car and it says ice may be possible, you know, on the little screen. So that was kind of like, oh, okay. That's not cool because I did not bring a winter coat with me. So, but yeah, we'll stick it out. It's probably better anyways, you know, stay cool, calm and collected. So, but we'll give you guys an update later. And you're out.